Hey friends, welcome to Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. This episode finds us back in Florida. We're back in San Antonio, Florida at Marathon, and we've been assigned a different coach.
Yes.
So we've packed this one up and it's ready to go. We're gonna head to Port St. Lucie and spend our New Year's there.
Yeah. So we're going to take you along for the journey, give you a little bit of our driving the coach. It's a 09 triple slide, which is 2 in the back, very low mileage in the 30s, like mid 30s.
Yeah.
So we're excited to show you this coach. We'll show you a little bit of the ride, and once we get there, we'll show you some of the exterior and the interior of the coach. So it should be an exciting episode.
Yep, put your seatbelt on.
All right.
We're gonna get going.
Let's go.
You'll see how beautiful this coach is. Again, it's an 09 triple slide. Pretty. Gotta hook up our Tahoe next so we can get on the road. All right, so here we are with the dash cam. Randy is directing me, as you can see. And that's how we do it. Blinker test. Looking good. All right, we triple check everything because we are both safety Sams. Never be in a rush. And let's just hope Randy remembers to slow down so I can get in. Did we mention the train horn? We're gonna have fun with this one. So hey guys, we're in the coach. We're in coach 1116. We are headed to Port St. Lucie, where we will have an event this Saturday on January 9. We will also be showing coaches on Thursday, starting tomorrow, through Saturday. So if you're in that area and you want to stop by, you can check out the coaches, and we'd love to see you.
Yeah, we're going to have a great selection of coaches there. I think we're going to have 2 brand new coaches. 1325, which is our brand new X, and I think they brought 1327, which is a new H from Texas, and then of course 1116 that we're in now, which is a very low mileage, I think like 34,000 mile triple slide H. So great coach for someone looking for an 09 in the right price range. So yeah, if you're in the area, come to our event, let us know that you're going to come, or just stop by a few hours and check out the coaches.
Yeah, we'd love to show them to you.
Yeah.
So we'll check back in just a little bit when we arrive at Port St. Lucie. We hope that everyone had a great New Year's Eve. I'm sure most of it was fairly quiet. And let's go on for a better 2021. Here goes our front slide out. We have the 2 back out. And next we'll take our little display items and put them back out. We secure them all on the couch if they're movable. We don't want any accidents. Hey, we made it. We're here in Port St. Lucie. You can see the beautiful sunshine.
Yeah.
And you see Coach 1116 right behind us here.
Yeah, so we just got it all washed and cleaned up. So
yeah.
Going to give you a quick sneak peek of it. I think Donna will just kind of give you a quick walkthrough, and at some point in the near future we'll do a more detailed viewing of it, show you the bays.
We'll feature it in another video.
But if you're in the area this weekend, starting tomorrow, you can come see this coach in person, 2 other brand new ones, and I think an 07. And you can check out Port St. Lucie. Lots are selling like hotcakes here. So if you're in the market for a lot, come to Port St. Lucie. No one knows how to have fun like Port St. Lucie. So Dawn's going to take you in and give you a quick look.
Let's
Hope you
go
enjoy.
take a look. All right, so before I give you a tour of this coach, I just wanted to let you know it has around 33,000 miles on it, and it's a beautiful coach. This is a triple slide, so there are 2 in the back, and then the one on the front here behind the driver's side. We'd love to know what you think of it. Let's go on a tour. Okay, we're gonna make this kind of a fast walkthrough. We'll feature it again at a later date and go through some of the more detailed items that this coach has. But like we said, it's a triple slide. It is an 08. It's coach 1116. So you can see here it has the mid bath. and then also the sink and shower here in the midsection. So that works out really nice. I know a lot of people love that double vanity or the double bath, or bath and a half, I should say. But quite honestly, when it's the sink in the mid, along with the sink in the stool room, it works out quite nice. And then back here at the bedroom, closet in the back there. King size bed, hanging on either side, which is always a treat. We love hanging. And again, back through the middle. So we'll take a look at it from the back of the coach going forward. Get a pretty good view here. All right, well, we have to be on our way, but we love it that you came along with us, and we will have another video next week, so keep watching. Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.